Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a MetaMask account, full guide. Open the MetaMask extension or app and choose Create a Wallet. Set a strong password and agree to terms. Write down your 12 or 24 word seed phrase on paper and store it offline. Never share your seed phrase or enter it on websites. After confirming the phrase, fund your wallet by sending ETH or tokens to your address. Now we'll set up security and settings for your MetaMask account. Create a password that is unique and long enough to resist guessing. Enable biometric unlock if on mobile and lock the extension when idle. Review permissions for dApps before connecting and use a hardware wallet for large balances. Add custom networks like Polygon or Binance Smart Chain carefully using RPC details. Regularly update the extension for security patches frequently. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides. It really helps. Quick recommendation. The book shown here is Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, and it pairs well with long-term crypto planning. Check the description for the link and other deals. Consider grabbing a copy for mindset clarity. Now let's get back to the video. Next, we'll handle funding and transactions in MetaMask with practical tips. Buy ETH on an exchange and send it to your MetaMask address using the exact checksum address. Always check gas fees and choose faster or cheaper options depending on urgency. Use the built-in swap for tokens, but compare rates and slippage first. Keep small test transfers when sending to new contracts or bridges to avoid large mistakes. Be careful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.